Hi children, Assalamualaikum. Here we meet again. Okay, I hope you are happy at home. Okay. Today, actually teacher want to teach you how to make a guitar using the shoebox. Do you want to know how to make the guitar? Stay tuned. But before we start the activity, I think I want to sing a song first. Can you sing with me? I am very sure you like this song. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger. So which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Just now I already told you, right, that we want to make a guitar by using the shoebox, right? Okay, now let me tell you what do you need to make that craft. Okay? Okay. We need colored paper, any color you like. Okay? Scissors, pencil, a knife. But the knife later your father will help you. Okay? Your mother or your father will help you. Alright? The rubber band. Okay? And tape. Okay? This one. And you go look for something circle shape, because later we want to trace the shape. Okay? For example, I use this tape lah. Okay, I want the shape only. And of course, where's my shoebox? Oh. See? And of course, a shoebox, because the guitar is from shoebox, right? Okay, firstly, we need to take the shoebox. Okay, I want the top one only. This, turn this way. Okay, take the circle things just now to make the circle shape here. You trace the shape. Alright. This one you need to cut. Okay, cut and throw. Okay, now this part you need to cut. Okay, cut like this. Okay, now take the coloured paper and wrap the box. Ta-da! See, I already wrapped the box just now. So the whole I already cut. Okay. So next, take the rubber band. Okay, do like this. When you do like this, it's good for your hand. Okay, your hand will be strong. See my hand? Because you need to put a lot of energy here. Okay. See, I have done. So this is my guitar. If you want to decorate, also can. Okay, you want to put sticker, it's up to you. Okay, it depends on your creativity. Okay, so you can play like guitar, right? See, you can play happy birthday to you. Ding dong bell, ding dong bell. So everything. Every song you can sing. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. See like that lah. Okay, example only. I hope you will enjoy this activity. Okay, I can't wait to see your guitar. Okay, please share your photo. Okay. I hope you will have fun and listen to your mother, listen to your father. Stay at home. Bye-bye.